Hi class, let's take a look at a word problem. And this particular word problem, well, the instructions that they're asking is for us to technically solve by using a system of equations. And here's the information that we're given. So we're looking at a billboard and you're given that the perimeter is 124 feet. So technically you could say that this is the length. Actually, I'll just label this as the length and this is the width. It doesn't really matter, but at least we'll have it in perspective. So the whole distance around the actual object is 124 feet. So that's going to be one of the equations, not our system yet, but let me actually write out what we know. So the perimeter in this case, I'll just label it as P is equal to 2L plus 2W. And we're told that this is 124. So this is equal to 2L plus 2W. And let me just box this. This is going to be one of the equations that we're going to be using. And that is just this information. You are given other information that the length is 34 feet than the width. So technically this will be another equation. So L is equal to 34 feet more than the width. So technically W plus the values of 34. Okay, so let me set the system. And just so that it's clear what we're doing, I'm just going to declare the variables. So in this case, I say let L equal to the length and W equal to the width. Okay, so let me set the system. So the system, and in this case, we're talking about the system of equations. I'm just going to say that 124 is equal to 2L plus 2W. And then L is equal to W plus the values of 34. Now, at this point, we have a system. This will be equation number 1 and equation number 2. They don't specifically say how to solve it. So this one, I think it'll be okay by substitution. So let me just solve it by substitution. And the reason that we're using substitution is because one equation is already solved for. So what we could do here is we'll evaluate L is equal to W plus 34 into equation 1. So equation 1 has 124 is equal to 2L plus the values of 2W, or 124 is equal to 2 times, and the values of L is equal to W plus 34 plus 2W. So we're plugging in the values of L into this position. So this is your value of L now. So at this point, you could distribute the 2, and we're going to have to go to the next page. So for this one, we're looking at 124. This is equal to 2W plus, well, 34 times 2 is going to be 68 plus the values of 2W. So the multiplication of the 2, it's going to give us those two. So 2W plus 68. And we can now collect like terms. So on the right hand side, you could actually put them together. So we're going to have 124. This is equal to 4W plus the values of 68. And to isolate the W's, let me subtract 68 and subtract 68. So we're going to end up with 4W. And let me do this on the side. So 124 minus 68. Technically, that's a 1. That's a 14. So that's going to be a 6, and that's a 0, and 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So I'm getting 56. And at this point, we could divide by 4. So we're going to end up with 56 divided by 4 is equal to W. And technically 56, 1, 4, and subtract. So 14 with a remainder of 0. So 0 would be our remainder. Okay, so 16 is equal to W. Actually, wait, it's 14. My bad. I have it right here and I didn't see it. So 14 is equal to W. Okay, not our full solution. Now we have to find L. So find L. And then L we have from back here, and happens to be W plus 34. So L is equal to W plus the values of 34. So L is equal to 14 plus 34. L is equal to, that's going to be an 8. I'm getting 78. No, 48. Hold on. So that's going to be an 8 and 48, you guys. So L is equal to 48. Sorry, I transposed the values. Give me a second. So 4 and 4 is equal to 8. 3 and 1 is equal to 4. Okay, so let me write out the solution. In this case, the solution as a coordinate point as L comma W. L was 48 and W is equal to 14. They most likely want it as a sentence because we're technically talking about a word problem. So let me write it out on the side. So the length is 48, and the dimensions that we're using, it's feet. And the width is 14 feet. So all of these, make sure that you are including the solution with the proper units. So this particular word problem turned out to be a little bit messy, but that's pretty much it for this one.